Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E4 Plus, and today I will show you how to access the Fastboot mode on the device. So you want to start off by holding the power key and then selecting power off. Wait for the device to shut off. And once it's off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both keys at the same time. From here, I'm going to navigate into the recovery mode, so use volume keys to select, where is it? Recovery mode, as you can see right now, and confirm with the power key. And you should see Android with no command. Yep, so there it is. So to get past this, all you need to do is hold power key and tap volume up once, like so. And we're now in the recovery mode. And here you want to select reboot to bootloader, which is the second option. Again, you select it using volume keys and confirm it with power key. And we should be now in Fastboot mode. And there it is, Fastboot mode. You can see it at the bottom. So that is how you access it. And if you want to leave it, all you need to do is hold power key till the phone shuts off. So I'm gonna do that now. And will turn on automatically. And we're back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.